Okay, so hopefully you were able to find a transfer pencil or pen or whatever your choice is. I am showing you the iron-on method. So whatever pencils or pens you use, they would need to be iron-on, and it'll say that on the packaging. And you have your PDF file printed out of your pattern. And I'm going to bring you down on the desk so you can see what I'm doing. You just simply use your pencil or pen and outline, follow all the lines. And you want to press relatively hard. It's okay if you go a little bit outside. I mean, nothing's perfect, right? This is a handmade object, and it's okay for it to look slightly imperfect, or else it wouldn't be handmade and it wouldn't be special. And so that's all you do to start. You would do all of them, or if you're just doing one image, that's it. Next video, I'm going to take you over to the ironing board and give you some tricks of how to transfer it using an iron. So I'll see you soon.